All right, guys, a quick video. I want to show you this cookbook that I got. It's 30 minutes cooking for two. It's cool because it's, you know, 30 minutes. It's not very hard to cook. You know, it's very simple. Cooking for two is great for me, or for my cook, my nephew, and my mom. And then healthy dish. It's all healthy. Not a lot of pictures. Only a few, but I'm going to show you. There's about 10 recipes that I would like to make, and I kind of want to see what you guys want, and maybe I'm going to do a video for you guys as well. And I also want to put it on my community post, which one you guys want to see the most. So I just wrote down some recipes that I think that I would like, and hopefully you would like. But now I did a fish taco, and some people don't like fish. They said commented, so I don't know if I want to do fish, but I did have some fish recipes on here. So if there's anything that I'm reading that you want me to do, let me know. Now the first one is Hawaiian chicken sliders. I think I do want to try this because it is the front cover, and maybe it's one of the better recipes, but it looks really good. It has pineapple, barbecue chicken, cheese, and slaw. The thing about the pineapple is if I have raw pineapple, I start having a sore throat. I don't know if it's the acid or something else, but if it's hot pineapple cooked, I don't have that, so I might cook the pineapple, or what I could do is mix the pineapple and the chicken so it won't be so raw, if that makes sense. So let me know if you guys have an option on that, or any advice on that. And also if you want to see that recipe, there's a Mexican breakfast bowl that is kind of cool. So it's like scrambled eggs. I think it has avocado, black beans, and I think salsa, maybe cilantro, I'm not really sure. So that's an option. Turkey meatballs with spaghetti, homemade turkey meatballs. That would be great. Tuscan chicken. I did get a request a while ago to do a video. Salmon cakes with lemon dill yogurt sauce. So that sounds good. Not everybody likes fish, so if you want to see that one, you know. Honey glazed salmon. Here's another fish. So it's called honey ginger salmon with vegetables. It's one pot, so it's like super easy. Teriyaki beef stir fry. I've been wanting to make a homemade stir fries. One pot cheesy taco pasta. That sounds good and different. And then we have crab cakes with mango salsa. That sounds really good. Crab cakes with mango salsa. So if you're interested in these recipes, just leave them down in the comments down below. I might be doing a community post. And maybe might leave the fish out. I don't know if you guys like fish or not. Some subscribers don't like fish, so I don't know if I should add these or not. But usually pasta does really well. So. And then after I post this video, I'm going to skip the comments, and I'm just going to probably, on the community post, you can do up to 5 options as a poll. So I'm going to pick 5 of these and vote, and you guys can vote. I'm probably going to make this, so I probably might make this first because I think this just looks really good. I might not add this on the poll, but yeah. All right, guys, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next video. Peace.